The Air Jordan 11 Retro Tokyo is expected to release in 2026 and is already one of the most talked about global Jordan brand drops. Inspired by the layered energy of Tokyo, the design delivers a refined and modern take on the legendary silhouette. The upper features a unified range of gray tones, blending smooth leather with soft suede for depth, movement, and balance. A toned-down patent leather mudguard replaces the usual high-gloss finish, giving the shoe a cleaner and more understated look. A sail-colored midsole adds contrast, while the translucent outsole with a pale gum tint enhances the urban feel. One standout detail is the tongue, which features delicate embroidery that adds texture and subtle shine. First released in 1995, the Air Jordan 11 changed basketball footwear and sneaker culture forever. The Tokyo edition honors that legacy while introducing city-inspired elegance, making it a highly anticipated release for collectors and fans worldwide in 2026.